channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And today's video is my first official Vlogmas video. I know it is like December 15th, but I've been really busy with finals this semester. Like, my teachers all wanted to kill me at the same time, and I've been really stressed out and busy. I haven't been getting any sleep, I haven't been eating, but you know what, I'm alive now and I have one more final. So with all this extra time, I decided to go ahead and start my Vlogmas videos. For those who are new here or new to my channel, I did Vlogmas last year, but I was also busy with like basketball and finals because it's around the same time. So I actually only made like 2 Vlogmas videos, but like a lot of people said they liked them. So I'm starting a little earlier this year. I wanted to start, of course, earlier, and actually when December 1st started, but you know, it's December 15th and we're here now, so what's up? But yeah, I'm about to go to Walmart with some friends. We're going to go shopping for like Christmas decorations for my house, because I still have yet to decorate. Like I said, it's a 10-day countdown until actually it's Christmas. But you know what? I'm feeling really festive and I want to decorate, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, like this is just a vlog of shopping and getting all those decorations, so keep watching. I assume yes. So I'm here in Walmart right now, and everybody and their mother is here. I don't know if there's some grand sale in here, but just trying to figure out why Walmart is so busy right now. Okay, so I just found the perfect tree for my dorm room. It is 4 feet, about to get some ornaments. I was thinking of getting burgundy, reds, and golds because I have some decorations in my house already that are those colors, so keep it in the same color scheme, and then get like a couple big ornaments like so. So I got all my Christmas decorations, and I'm like, you know, wouldn't it be cool if me and my friends made Christmas cookies? But this Walmart doesn't have any Christmas cookies besides like holiday sugar cookies, but those look bland. So I'm probably gonna go to another store just to find some Christmas cookies. I know it's a little OD, but like I said, I'm in the Christmas spirit, so. Yo, I actually spoke way too soon because look what I just found. Snowman cookies. You can either do the snowman kind or the Christmas tree. This just warmed my heart. I think I'm gonna do the, which one should I get? Snowman or Christmas tree? I am such a child. Like, I shouldn't be debating whether I should get a snowman cookie or Christmas tree cookie, but you know what? I'm gonna do the snowman. So now I'm just looking for some table decorations to put around the house. I'm not sure what I should get though. I'm so glad I came to Target because they have so many other good things that Walmart did not have. Like a skirt. I just found this gold sparkled cute skirt for my tree, and I got a couple of these red horses or deers, reindeers for around the house. The red, since I told you I'm doing a red and gold theme, and I think it also might pick up or drop. I also might pick up this little tree to put on one of my tables at the house. So. Hey guys, so I just finished decorating my house. I just decorated my tree and set up some decorations around the house. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. I definitely want to add some more stuff, like maybe some lights and get some more candles. You know, more cute festive things for the house. But if I do add more stuff, I'll show you guys in a later video. But I want to go ahead and show you guys what I've done. Hey everybody, so that's it for my Vlogmas day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me and watching me decorate my place. It's all festive and junk. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy more decorations and I'll keep you guys posted if I change my apartment up some more because it still looks kind of naked. So yeah, that is it for this Vlogmas. I will be making more, so if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment if you want to tell me anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.